Videos to sample paper given by the board for academic year 21-22. This is for term 1, basic version of the paper, again a section A question. In a throw of a pair of dice, we are actually throwing 2 dice right now. The probability of the same number on each die is what we are trying to find out. Step 1, let's find out the total number of possibilities, right? Total possibilities when we throw a die twice, possibilities is equal to 6 times 6, because when you throw one die, 6 possibilities, throw a second die, that one also has 6 possibilities. So total number of possibilities is equal to 36. Saying that we need to get the same number in both the throws or in both the dice is what they are saying. So what all possibilities are there? First die can show a 1, second one should also show a 1, which is when both of them show the same number. It could be a 2, 2, it could be a 3, 3, it could be a 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So how many possibilities exist where both the dice show the same number? We have 6 such possibilities. Both dice, same number, number of such outcomes is equal to a 6. So probability that we are looking at, probability of the event is essentially equal to both dice same number divided by total number of outcomes or total number of possibilities. We counted both dice having the same number to be equal to a 6. When 2 dice are rolled simultaneously or thrown simultaneously, we have a total of 36 outcomes. 6 by 36 is equal to 1 by 6. Answer option A is the correct answer to this question.
Before you leave, I want you to do 2 things. 1, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.